Hi, I'm Scott Largent. We're at E4 in Dallas with Exertis, and we are showing off our brand new interactive flat panel. This is our ViewPro 6. This is a 65-inch. It is our complete solution for video conferencing in the classroom or the conference room. So we've got 2 cameras built in right up here. It's got a 8 microphone array at the top. It also has 40-watt speakers built into the panel. It is touchscreen. It has built-in i5 Windows computer, and it also has an infinite whiteboard. And then, of course, you can do your Zoom or Microsoft Teams meetings as well. It's very quick. So it's very quick to keep up. You can do split screen, show 2 different things, YouTube video, annotate as well. And then, of course, it does run the Microsoft Teams and Zoom as well for video conferencing. So if you want to look up more, please check out maxhub.com. Thank you.